Hello guys, we are here at Oinki Kapasigan, Pasig City. So we are here, nagharap kami ng affordable prices for the Samyup places here at third floor, and meron silang overlooking, which is makikita mo sa daanan siya ng jeep and tricycle in front of here building. We selected the premium set, which is unlimited fork and side dishes and cheeses, and we will satisfied here at prices, affordable prices at 299 pesos each persons. So let's go, let's try it. Masarap siya guys, and kakaiba yung lasa niya. Compare mo sa ibang affordable prices dito, maganda yung places nila. Very convenient pa, mababait yung mga staff nila. So yun guys, nagustuhan namin yung nila dito, yung pagkain nila, yung samyupsal set nila, kasi kompleto sila. And then ayun, kahit na hindi ganun kadami yung dishes, pero affordable siya, and marami kaming nakain, especially the kimchi, napakasarap niya. And then the cheese, unlimited siya, wala siyang added like compare mo sa iba na affordable na samyupsal. So ayun, nakailang rounds kami here. So ito yung overlooking na sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, kapag sumilip kayo sa baba. So ito yung makikita nyo, daanan siya ng jeep. So what are you waiting for guys? Let's go here and let's eat. Bye!